I'm just gonna take a dive, dude.
Let's do it. Fight.
Oh shit. Okay.
Why am I not working?
What kind of accent are you gonna girl?
Don't feel bad. Are y'all fighting yet? Shit, y'all been going for 50 minutes. 50 seconds, whatever. Here we go.
Oh shit, now we're starting, yeah, okay.
Get him, Davin, get him. Get him, Davin. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Nick, don't mess my guy up.
I'm trying.
Nick.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, you got lucky?
All right, here we go. Here we go. Come on, Nick. Get him. Get him. Nick, get her. Do an uppercut. Do an uppercut. Do some. Yeah, there you go. Do some. Hit her in the ribs. Hit her in the ribs. You got to get it. Somebody stays and go. Damn it.
2,
That's over.
3, 4, 5, 6.
You just got worked by a woman. You just got worked.
Yeah.
Woo!
You got worked.
Turn around, bitch! Look at that.
Wow.
Work.
It took forever to figure out that this thing